Welcome to our roundup of the best nail guns of 2026. Essential tools that bring speed, precision, and efficiency to woodworking, trim work, framing, furniture building, and general carpentry. A quality nail gun can drastically reduce manual effort, improve accuracy, and help you finish projects faster than hammering by hand. Today's models include cordless convenience, strong driving power, ergonomic designs, and features that help both beginners and experienced builders work with confidence and control. We've selected top nail guns based on driving performance, ease of use, battery life, durability, and overall value. Let's take a closer look at what makes each model stand out. Starting with the Batavia Cordless Brad Nailer. This model is a solid choice for light-duty finish work and trim applications. Its cordless design offers the freedom to move around the workspace without being constrained by an air hose or power cord, making it ideal for projects where maneuverability matters most. The lightweight body helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions, and the user-friendly trigger and depth adjustment let you fine-tune nail placement easily. Many users find it particularly effective for small woodworking jobs, baseboards, paneling, and other finishing tasks where precision is key. With a responsive firing action and dependable battery performance, it's a practical option for home DIYers and woodworking hobbyists alike. Its durable construction and comfortable grip also make it easier to work overhead or in tight corners without slipping or bunching up your materials. Next up is the NEU Master Cordless Nail Gun, a versatile tool designed to handle a variety of nails and fasteners for both trim and light framing work. Its cordless convenience and responsive control make it easier to work in tight spaces or vertical surfaces without dragging cords or hoses. With robust driving power and an intuitive loading system, this nail gun helps improve productivity on both small and intermediate jobs. Users often appreciate its beefy grip and ergonomic balance, which help reduce hand strain over the course of long projects. Whether you're hanging crown molding, installing cabinetry, or tackling shop fixtures, this model brings reliable performance with minimal fuss. Enhanced safety features and quick jam release systems also help reduce downtime when working on complex builds. Moving on to the Silvel 2-inch electric cordless broad nailer, this electric-powered option brings a blend of portability and strength, eliminating the need for compressors or batteries. Its direct electric drive system delivers strong, consistent nail placement, making it a dependable choice for everyday finish work. The nail gun handles brads up to 2 inches, giving you flexibility across different materials and thicknesses. The ergonomic design and simple depth adjustment help maintain control and accuracy even on longer runs of trim or baseboard work. Many users note its balance between power and weight, which allows for extended use without heavy fatigue, a definite plus for both hobbyists and professionals. Its efficient motor also reduces the risk of misfires, helping ensure cleaner edges and precise placements on fine carpentry. Taking the number 2 spot is the Works Nitro 20V Cordless Broad Nailer, a high-powered option from a trusted brand that combines strong driving performance with user-friendly features. Powered by the 20V battery platform, it delivers reliable and consistent nail placement across a range of trim and finish applications. Its cordless convenience means you can work anywhere without needing an air compressor, and the responsive firing mechanism helps improve precision with every shot. Many builders appreciate the comfortable grip and thoughtful balance, which make prolonged use more manageable. Whether you're installing trim, cabinetry, or decorative elements, this model delivers reliable power and versatility for a variety of jobs. Built-in depth adjustment and quick load features also help speed up repetitive tasks when working on larger projects. Claiming the top spot for overall performance and versatility is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Brad Nailer. This professional-grade nail gun delivers strong and consistent driving power that meets the demands of serious woodworking and finish projects. Built on the 20V battery platform, it offers long runtime and quick recharge cycles that keep you working with minimal interruption. The ergonomic design, intuitive trigger, and easy depth adjustment make it suitable for both beginners and experienced builders. With excellent balance and reduced recoil, it helps improve accuracy and reduce user fatigue on long jobs. From cabinetry and trim to door casing and panel work, this DeWalt model stands out for its combination of power, reliability, and user-friendly design. Its robust construction and dependable performance also make it a favorite among contractors who need consistent results day after day. All of these nail guns serve different needs and project types. The Batavia cordless brad nailer and Silvel 2-inch electric cordless brad nailer offer portability and ease of use for finish work. The NEU Master cordless nail gun brings versatility and strong driving power for mixed tasks. The Works Nitro 20V cordless brad nailer combines performance and comfort for extended use. And the DeWalt 20V Max cordless brad nailer delivers professional-level power, runtime, and precision. That wraps up our list of the best nail guns of 2026, from compact finishers to powerful cordless models built for demanding jobs. If you're upgrading your toolkit, tackling woodworking projects, or adding a reliable nail gun to your collection, there's a dependable option here for you. Let us know in the comments which nail gun you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your next build faster, cleaner, and more accurate with the right nail gun by your side.